Okay, we're at the PayDotCom site. We're going to log in and actually create the new payment button for our resell rights package. If you have not signed up for PayDotCom, you just click this button. It's really self-explanatory. No need to go through a video on how to sign up. Just click on sign up and follow the screens. It's really easy, and then they're going to give you an email password to log in with. Once you get that, you're just going to click on login. Now you just enter your password and email and click sign in. From here you want to click on my products. Then right here you want to click on create a new product. Now we want to enter a product name. Just use the same name, and then the description, whatever you want to put for the description. This is where you're going to put the price for your product. Check with your reseller. They usually have a minimum price they want you to sell for. On Banner Generator Pro, the minimum price is actually, I think it's $27. So we'll just going to sell it for the minimum they allow. It's automatically going to put the receipt email that you use to sign up for your PayDotCom account. If you want someone else to receive the same notice when you get a sale, or if you want to send it to another email account, you just would put that information in here. This right here is for subscriptions. No need to mess with that. Now you want to put the URL of your sales page. Now for the thank you page on your resale rights package, the thank you page actually just said thank you.html. Now you don't want to leave that, you want to change that. But you can make it whatever you want. I would just suggest making it something hard. So we can just make up something here. Now what you need to do is, you know that your main URL is bannergeneratorsite.com. What you need to do is copy this. Or you can even copy the whole URL. And you want to save that in your notepad. The reason why you want to save that in your notepad is because you're going to need, you might even want to make a little note right here. Thank you page. Because when you rename your files inside your resale rights package, this is going to be your thank you page. You can just make anything up, just make it where it's not easy to guess. So we'll just leave that there and we'll save that. And that needs to be .html. So make sure you put that extension on your notepad file as well. Okay. Now this is if you want to gather personal information from your buyer, address, phone number, etc. We don't want to do that. If you're going to have affiliates, I would suggest to approve any affiliate by default. And if you want to display that in the marketplace, you click here. It's going to allow you to pick where to place your listing once you make one sale. With Pay.com, that's the rule. You have to make a sale before your thing gets listed. So we'll just check those and go to the next step. On this page is where you want to add your commission level. You can pay your affiliates a percentage, or you can pay them a flat amount. We'll leave it at percentage, and we'll just put a standard like 50%. Click on add. Here you're going to put in, you're going to sell using PayPal, yes, and then put in your email address. It usually puts in your default email address. Now you want to save that and go to step 3. Here's where you're going to actually select which categories you want the banner generator site to be on. On this one we could just go like entrepreneur. Marketing ads, maybe banners, even though that's may not be the perfect category. We're just using this for an example. You can only do 2, so just click save. Now if you want to customize your affiliate page, order page, etc., you would do that here. On this as actually for your order page. If you don't want to, just click save. I don't ever do those custom. Now if you want to add more payment options, you can. If not, just click on I am done. Now you're done with your product listing. What we have to do now, see where it says get button code. We're going to want to get that button code, and that was the reason why we uploaded those images to FTP, because there's a image called download.jpg, which is that button that is already on the side and it looks better, so we're going to use that. So just click on that, get button code. Now you want to scroll down, because the one we want to make is going to say please fill in the complete URL to your image. This is where we're going to create our button from. Now you're going to have to start with the name of your site, so that would be generatorsite.com / if you have a folder where your images are and that says images, then you have to put that extension. So we'll put images / and the name of the actual image, which is download.jpg. Now just put get my code. You have your code ready now. What we're going to do is just highlight that code, and we're going to copy this to our notepad again. I want to save all this information because you're going to need it when you do the rest of your edits to your pages. Okay, now we're good, so we're just going to actually backspace here. Now the other code we want to get is the affiliate sign up page code, because you're going to use that for your affiliate promotions. So when you put your site online, if you want people to sign up for the affiliate program, you want to have the URL for them to be able to click on. So just click on that. Then just scroll down to the bottom, because that's where it's going to be. Right here is our listing. We just want to highlight all that code, copy it, and then paste that into our note. Some of this may not make sense to you right now. You're going to see how it's going to all come together right before we get everything uploaded to the hosting. Okay, for now I think we're done in Pay.com. That's how you sign up for Pay.com and actually get your button, get everything ready. Now we're going to go back and edit the rest of our index page with our new payment button.